Oh man, what a day. I had so many big plans. All right, guys, I'm 4 hours into this project here. And this is where I'm at. We have an indication of flame. So this valve is currently open. We don't hear nothing, which indicates that the gas can flow. When you hear a click and you hear power humming on this, that means there's no gas flow. And that's kind of the way we want it. We don't want this solenoid running all day. So when this flame goes out, all this jazz here is going to shut this off. And for future reference, just so I know how this is all wired, we have the AC current connected from MVP or MV and PV and MV being rectified in a bridge rectifier going to our solid state relay, which is connecting an AC current of 120 volts to our A1 and our S. The solid state relay connects the S to the A1. And I have it set to E. And you can see where I have the timing set here. I forget what this particular setting is called. I'll put it here on the screen because I'm going to need to know this later. So, let's say for some reason somebody comes over and turns the blower up too high or something weird just happens for whatever reason and causes the flame to blow out. We want this gas to shut off. So here goes. I'm going to turn this off. And there you go. You hear that hum? I'll show it activating here. Let me get some gas going. Oh, come on. See that? All right. We are controlling some flame here. So it took all this to do that. The solid state relay is simply running the S trigger. We have 24 volts running into this module here. If you ever want to replicate this system, any of these modules will work. This spark is not going to do. We're going to have to put our own spark system in there, but we are rectifying the 24 volt signal into DC, which is then powering a solid state relay, which is connecting a 120 volt AC current to the A1 and S1 are being connected. We have this connected to the normally closed configuration. 15 and 16 are connected. As you can see here on the side, that is normally closed. So, flame on, you get gas. Flame off, no gas. Now, if you really know your stuff, you see a problem with this setup. But don't worry, we're going to have a bypass switch that is going to connect the current here and here in the beginning of the process. Or wait a second, what the hell am I talking about? It starts off with the gas on.